Right, okay, let's just do a few little bits of housekeeping. One of those is going to be to roll me a nice little cigarette, which I probably should have done before I started, to be honest. Yeah. Right, that's better. Okay, so let's just show the system in place, in action, shall I say. Right, okay, so here we go. I'm on the client side. Hey, I can see the server over there. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. But I can't get over to him. So the idea is it's a co-op, kind of, well, I mean, it doesn't have to be necessarily a co-op, but it's a mechanical building kit. So I've put together this mechanical building kit. My words aren't even English at the moment. It's a replicated multiplayer physics kit for like grabbing and throwing and stuff. So like if I just go over here and grab that battery, you can see that on the server side, my character's holding it. It's a bit janky, but you know, does the job. And then we can hold down the right mouse button and then toss it through the gap to them. So we can go over to our client side and we can pick it up. And then we can go and fit it into here. Boosh. And that'll lower the lift. Now, our client over there can go grab those doors. So I'll switch it back over to the client. We'll grab the door. There you go. Hey, buddy, there's a door for you. We'll grab another door. Chuck that over. Oh, no, we couldn't quite get it over. There we go. So we can go back to the server and we can start fitting these doors into the vehicle. So boosh and boosh. You know what that's inside? That is inside there. It might be the rear left, the rear right one that I haven't set up yet. But yeah, so we got our instructions. So we're gonna have like a collection of items here that we're gonna give to our partner over there, so we can knock down those wheels, so that we can then fit the wheels onto the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and start setting that up. So I've already got the struct and the data table for my item generation. It's already taking place in the master interact. So you just go into the blueprints, go into the struct, and go to our item data. All I'm going to do is, oh, pause that. All I'm going to do in here is just add some items. So what we got? Let's go back to our content, geometry. So let's go from left to right. So axe. So just change its name to axe. And then its mesh is going to be an axe mesh, obviously. What else we got? Drill, grinder. So drill. Grinder. What was the drill, grinder, hammer, and spanner? Okay. So we're going to have a hammer. And we shall have a spanner. So this is how we're going to set up our various variables. So we've got car door rear left, car door front right, and we'll duplicate that, and we'll do car door rear right. And that's going to be car door rear left. Save that. And then we'll go back over to here. What is this guy in here? It's just a static mesh actor. Static mesh actor. So we can probably just get rid of that. It doesn't. It's not a blueprint, so that's fine. And we'll just duplicate this jobbo and move it back now. I didn't duplicate it, did I? There we go. Move it back, and we're going to do car door rear right. There we go. It automatically snaps over to the correct mesh because it's all set up in a construction script to do that. And we're just going to move that inside a little bit. That'll do. For the purposes of demonstration, that is perfectly acceptable. So now we've got our car door rear right. What's the word I'm looking for? Goal zone. Yeah, goal zone thing. So we've also now should have, no, I haven't set up the meshes yet, have I? So let's do the spanner. So we'll do spanner. Nice. And we'll do hammer. And then we'll do grinder. And then we'll do drill. Sweet. So that's all set up now on the data table side of things. So what we've got left to do is just put them into the world. So what I'm going to do is grab this thing. I'll set it to world so it's easier to move. We'll just duplicate it along a few times. And in here we'll go hammer. There we go. Looks a bit big, but we can live with that for now. So there's our hammer. And then we'll have a spanner. We'll get a couple of those actually. That's it, Tucker. So it's a couple of spanners. And this one could be a drill. So you see, we're just going to change the name in here in this variable, and it looks up the data table row name for it. and then sets the object up for us, which I think you'll agree is pretty handy. There we go. So I've got a drill, and we'll have a grinder. There we go. So that's a nice little grinder there. What else have we got? We got the axe as well, haven't we? So let's just duplicate that again. And this one can be an axe. That's fine. That can go down like that. Let's just grab another hammer, because why not? They're fun to throw, I guess. And another spanner. Alright, so let's jump onto the server side, because that's where we've spawned all these objects. And then we can grab some stuff. So grab a couple of spanners. Go and show the client a cool spanner hand. Let's chuck these over there. Oh, didn't even go anywhere close, did it? Right, there we go. One spanner. One spanner. But yeah, we can pretty much pick all this stuff up at once if we want to. So there we go. We can grab all of those. We can even take this one from down here. And we'll just start throwing them over. So there's a can, there's a hammer, drill, grinder, axe, spanner, hammer. I think that's everything. Right, so go back over to the client now. And then we can pick all this junk up. So we can go soup, grab all of this stuff. It looked ridiculous holding all those objects. Right. So we need to get the wheels down. So we have to chuck some stuff up there. Oh, nearly. Oh, there we go. I got some wheels. Right, so swap over to. Where did they go? Are you serious? Why does it keep doing this? I have no idea. It's just so random when it chooses to fail. Come on. There we go. Oh, come on, I hit you. What's it look like on the client's server side? Absolutely nothing has changed. All right, let's go back into the blueprint. Master interact. We'll do replicate. All the replication settings. For that looks good. Ooh, I'm turning that off. I don't like Hollyoaks. It's very, very annoying. And what we got? Okay, sorry, I'm getting carried away, distracted by the TV. Yes, why are these misbehaving? Init load on client, it all seems to be replicate physics to asynchronous autonomous process should be true for authoritative simulations. Fault for client. I don't know if which one this is. Hmm. Anyway, let's go close that. Let's close that and close that. I want to know why. Dormancy awake. Never. All right, anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna need my co-op partner over here to go and grab some stuff. So let's grab some tools. There we go. Grab that. Grab the can. Grab that can. And then we'll go toss them over. There we go. Get all this, lad. That's it. Right, that's all of our objects vomited up. So let's go and grab them as the client. There we go. And then we'll try and knock off those tires up there. Oh, nearly. No, not even close. Oh, there we go. Okay. But yeah, why are they not? This is really, really annoying. Why are they not replicating over properly? None of this makes any fucking sense to me. Like, it's all set to replicate. The physics are set to replicate. The movement's set to replicate. I don't understand. Let's just grab the battery and start tossing that up there. There we go. Look, see the wheels come, the batteries come down, but the wheels haven't. There you go. Have a tire. I'm at a loss. I've tried every combination of settings. Net use owner relevancy. It baffles me why this is not. And the funny thing was earlier, it was working lovely. I might have to drop the throwing objects up there and knocking it off aspect. Because it's not looking like Unreal really enjoys that. I've done research earlier to see if I could figure out how to fix this problem, but people with the similar problem fixed it in exactly the settings that I've got currently. So I don't know what is going wrong with the. As you can see, as I'm throwing these out, they're replicating lovely. Look, see, it's just the ones that are getting hit with something. It gets hit with something. There we go. And now has that gone over on the set? Yes. Okay. So that time it worked. All right. Let's go try these two over here. Take that trash gas can. Oh, I'm a little off with my aim, I think. There we go. Okay, now that seems to be working. Very, very strange. Very strange. All right, so let's toss him our battery. There you go, son. What am I still holding? A bunch of stuff. All right, let's just put all this stuff down. There we go. And then we can go and use the server. Grab our battery here. There we go. So now we can grab the doors with our client. Grab one, grab the other, and then we'll toss them over. Okay, there we go. Toss them over. I got this. Toss them over. There we go. All right, now our server can grab it. Put it on. Grab it. Put it on. So now we need the rear right side door. What's that look like in my hand? And it's not too weird looking, but obviously if you're doing this with your own models for an actual game, you'd neaten up the orientations and whatnot. You can throw trash bags around too. Have that, Jimmy. So yes, we need another car door. So let's grab this trash bag here actually. And we'll call this car door rear. Right. There we go. We can put that over on this side. Shouldn't do any harm. Okay. little bit because it's a little high. There we go. A little sip of Vimto. Mm. Oh, it's good. All right, so let's check and make sure that car door works as intended. Yeah, there we go. So we need the battery. So let's chuck him some tools over to throw around. There you go. So pass these over. There we go. So now we can go over to our client over here. Pick those tools up. And throw. Oh, a little bit low. There we go. So now we should be able to go back over to our server. Grab those tires. Then we can drop one there. Drop one there. Now we need the battery. So it's back over to our server. Drop all the stuff I don't need. There we go. Now we've got a battery. Let's just throw that over. And grab our server guy. Where did the battery go? Bruh. Ah, there it is. There we go. And then back over to the client. We can grab the door. Pass that. Oh, no. Come on. Pass that over. Grab another door. Pass that over. Oh, come on. Get through the gap, damn it. I swear to God, get through that fucking gap. There we go. Just needed a bit of encouragement. So now I can jump over to the server again. And grab that. Drop it. Oh, that's the wrong door. Okay. Drop it there. I'll drop that there. And there we go. Now our car is complete. And that's just a little demo. Little demo of the game. The kit, the project. So I think what we need to do is I'm going to do a couple things actually. I want to cap the power that people can throw stuff at. So that's the first issue. And second, yeah. And then we'll do that if that is ever greater than 2000. So we'll cap this at it's 200. I want 2000. Yeah, so if that ever goes above 2000, we'll set it to 2000. I want to duplicate the node, please. Thank you. All right, let's move that across. If that goes above 2000, it'll set it to 2000. We'll just comment that. Cap row power. And there we go. That's one thing done. And when we pick something up, that's the multicast detach. All right, so here's where we're interacting with it. That's what's getting fired off in the blueprint. So we're going to get this. And we're going to set that to true. Or actually, no. I do like the ability to hold multiple objects. I'm just trying to figure out where to set the visibility. So this is where we're dropping it. So you're going to get attached actors. I'm going to drop 0. Then we need to get all attached actors again. Get 0. Set its visibility because it's going to be the new 0 index. So let's grab this bit and this bit. And we'll control W those. Move that across. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to get the cube. Which really shouldn't have called it cube. Get cube. I need to do it from this. Cube. Set visibility. True. Let's just set the visibility of this. Set actor hidden in game. Ah. New hidden is false. So we can do that without the cast. So we want to get all actors. So we'll do for each loop. For each loop. For all of the attacked actors that aren't 0. Actually, no, we'll just do it to all of the attached actors. So first of all, we'll set them to hidden. And we'll duplicate this. And once that's finished, on complete, we'll set. So hidden is now true for everything that's attached to us, apart from the actor that's hidden in the game. So let's check that out now. Can I just sneak over here for a minute? Thank you. That's actually working as intended, so let's grab a few. So yeah, there we go. Only the currently held object is now visible. Oh, wait. Let's pick all those back up again. So now, there we go. So there's the grinder, drill, battery, hammer, axe, door, and what we sort out the orientations another time. So that's all good. Select the hidden in game. And we'll just do an is valid. That is valid. There we go. Sweet. So anything we drop is going to be visible. It's not going to be hidden anymore. And anything that's attached to us is going to be still hidden. So now we need to go into the attachment part. That's executing on the server. So we'll do the same over here. Move that over to there. And let's see if that works. So let's jump over here. We'll just grab a bunch of stuff. Some gas cans in there, then we'll do. All right, okay. Yeah, it appears to be working. So now if I pick something up, gas can, now that could be the grinder, the drill. Sweet. So now if I do it as the server too, hammer, gas can, spanner, spanner, hammer, axe, gas can, drop the gas can, drop the axe, hammer, spanner, gas can, hammer. Sweet. Okay, and then just go back over to the client now. Drill. And drop a anvil, a grinder. And there we go. Oh, that is working really fucking well. That is working really, really well. I actually want to use this to make a game now. Oh, I really do. My toe's almost gone. Oh, that's good. All right, let's scoop up some of this stuff. There we go. All right, so now let's toss off some of these toss off some of these wheels. Oh, nearly. Hey. So let's grab those wheels. Go and drop them in there. You see me holding the wheel? I can see my that I'm holding the wheel. There we go. And we'll grab that door there. Go and drop it into place. And this dude needs to find us that battery. And then throw it over. There we go. Got a battery now. And we can go and chuck that into here. God damn it. There we go. And that's going to lower the lift. Client can then go grab the doors. And we're going to throw them over. There's one. And there's two. And then our server can grab the doors. Pop them on. There's one. And there's two. Sorted. What is that returning an error? Access none. Try to read property call function array. Get item 2. Let's try chuck in another is valid into there. There we go. Then we'll plug that in there. As long as it's valid, we can work on it. That should fix that error. All right, let's check that out then. And we'll do some little fixie up bits. So I'll grab you, just grab a whole bunch of stuff. Strangely, it won't pick up the one out of the box. There we go. Just dump all this stuff right in front of the server, and then we'll switch over to the server, and we'll just start collecting it. There we go. That's it. That's the stuff. All right, and there we go. Our is valid is working as intended. All right, so I think that's calls for another cigarette. Turn to your chat. I believe so, Bean. Right. Oh god, why is it loading Visual Studio? Yeah, definitely time for a cigarette. We have to wait for that bug to load up and close down again. But yeah, I think I might actually draw the line there for the time being and actually just go about making a game in this. There's Visual Studio loaded up, so you have to close it down now. Oh, take my shoes off. Oh, I ain't going out the house again. Have a little sip. So yeah, everything's pretty much done now. Just needs a bit of tarting up. Let's save it all and get the Epic launcher back up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone it. That way I can make changes directly to this version without having to undo all those changes when I come to upload it to it for people to grab. All right, so where are we going? Library. I got replicated grab. I'm gonna clone that. Call it EasyGrab multiplayer.